Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. It is summertime.
Woo!
It's ice cream time, and my friend Lisa is showing us how to make what today, Lisa?
We are making ice cream, you scream, we all scream for hot honey s'mores.
Oh my gosh, who doesn't love a good s'more? Okay, Lisa, how did you make these?
Well, they're delectable. And my friends and I came up with it. It is 2 graham crackers. On each of the graham crackers, you squeeze on some hot honey.
Okay.
And then you're gonna put on one of those a little piece of chocolate, maybe 2 if you like a lot of chocolate.
I'm down for 2.
On the other side, you're gonna put a scoop of maple walnut ice cream. Maple walnut ice cream.
Okay.
And then you're gonna toast your marshmallow. Maybe you're having a campfire, you're gonna toast it there. Maybe you're doing it just in the kitchen on a rainy day over your stove or in a toaster oven. However you wanna get your marshmallow toasted to your liking, you put that on. Then you take your 2 sandwich halves, you put them together.
Very carefully.
And there we go.
Oh my gosh. Can I try?
You sure can.
Okay, Lisa, now talk about the different variations and the fun everybody should have this summer with s'mores.
That's right. I feel like this one's kind of the adult s'more, right? But if you want to do some with your
My kids
kids,
will
maybe you do some peanut butter on there, or you do a Reese's peanut butter cup instead of the plain chocolate. I mean, it's endless. You can do some with some Nutella. I've heard people try that. I mean, and you can just get all these different ingredients at your local store. Find your favorite ice cream. Maybe it's maple walnut. Maybe you like chocolate. Maybe you like white chocolate raspberry. I mean, it's just fun. Round the kids up and have a good time.
I tasted all. This is fabulous. Lisa, thank you so much. Head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this awesome s'more recipe. Oh my gosh, the whole family's gonna love it. Here, you gotta try it. This is so good.